I'm on the top lane. I don't know where the pace car is going. I don't know where the 2's going. I wanted the top. I don't understand what the...
10-4. Just try switch it with them.
Can you just talk to NASCAR keeping the pace car in the groove down the front stretch? Because like I was in the upper groove, but he was in the 4th lane up in the... got fucked on a restart.
Searching for the 54, but they want the high line and they won't let them up there. If the 54 wants the top lane, let them get there.
They're saying you can go ahead up top. Go ahead, swap them over.
As it's delivered.
That's some entertainment right there.
Too much for halfway.
Hey, I'm not the bonsai guy.
3 wide top.
Side 29.
Stay up, up. Keep coming up. Come on. All clear. Still green. They saved it. Yell good.
Still inside, spinning.
Just
spinning,
Suarez.
spinning,
They're all
inside,
jacked up behind
inside,
them.
Outside, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Clear low, inside, in and out.
From here now. No worries out back.
Inside only.
They went to a fucking caution for nothing.
They're all around.
Today,
we'll get it better for next week. And,
42,
move on.
54, 22, 6, and 29, and the 9 car for media obligations. Cindy, if you would, confirm the 611-3.
Cindy, on the track, 623, 11, 3.
Vacuum 1 take off, heat up a vacuum 3, and I'll have you work on the front stretch with vacuum here 4. Needs a 3, grab the 3 as we'll grab the 3, sorry gang. That's for 3's for media gang. Okay. Vacuum 4, just hold up there until I get the winner to victory lane. I'll get the other 3 with you, and I'm going to have the 3 of you triple team the front stretch. Vacuum 4, you can come on up, you can get started.